In this Revizto training session, we're going to be focusing on the measuring tool. The measuring tool is located in the 3D environment and is the fourth command on the toolbar from the left-hand side of the application. When selecting the ruler, our first option is our laser ranger option. This allows us to pick any point on any face inside of the project and have that shoot a laser out perpendicular to retrieve a measurement from the two objects. As you can see, this is very easy to use. We can basically place it on any face that we would like and pull that measurement there. If we need to get more specific about what we're measuring, our middle tool here, or middle option, is where we can choose our snapping option. This allows us to snap to very specific pieces of geometry to gain a measurement from the model. As you can see, I can snap to the parts of this door frame to receive an exact measurement on what that item is. Our second option is our minimum distance option. This allows us to select two items and retrieve a minimum distance between those two items, such as this diffuser and this floor. As you'll see, whenever I select the two items, the measurement shows up and calculates the smallest distance between the two items to retrieve the measurement. Here I can control the color of the measurement line, and I can also create an issue directly from this measurement. Over here I can control the units that I'm seeing inside of the project. And if I need to cancel the measurement without doing anything further, I can hit this button in the top right to get right back to my 3D environment.